Okay, what is it again?
P3 Fit.
Breathe.
Did your wife fit your? Did your wife?
Are you hungry? And your wife forgot to pack your lunch.
Are you hungry? And your wife? Are you looking to save money on fuel? Circle K's the. Are you looking to? Come on, Pop. Are you looking to save money on fuel? Circle K's the way to go. You can go find their easy pay credit card thingy.
One thing about myself that surprised people, probably that I play way too. Well, it probably won't surprise many people. It's hard. Probably that.
Alright, Killas, we've been working a long time to get this partnership out, but oh my god, I suck.